Following the debut of the iPhone X, we've seen more and more OEMs adopting the display notch. Rumors have suggested in the past that Oneplus would be adopting that on the OnePlus 6, and now a new leak seems to support that. We're likely a few months out from the debut of the OnePlus 6, so any leaks at the moment should be taken with a grain of salt. Today, our first potential look at the OnePlus 6 has hit the web, showing off what could be the company's next flagship. ITHome posted images of what it claims is the OnePlus 6, and there are a few notable things on this design that you'll see right away, via Frandroid. First and foremost, there's a brand new design. This includes a shiny glass back, which we've seen on multiple other flagship devices in the past couple of years. Similar to Samsung's Galaxy S9 Plus, there's a vertically stacked dual camera system with a fingerprint sensor underneath. Then, in typical OnePlus fashion, the company's logo appears dead center on the back. Flipping the phone over, there's a new design for the screen, which has very thin bezels around the entire display. Unlike the OnePlus 5T, which had thicker top and bottom bezels, it appears the OnePlus May 6 take a different route by evening out the bezels across the entire phone. The most notable thing here, however, is the arrival of a notch just like Apple's iPhone X and the Essential phone. In this case, it looks like the front-facing camera and associated sensors, as well as an earpiece for calls. Thankfully, though, it seems the company isn't making the notch any thicker than the notification bar, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem, as the software will mostly hide it. Of course, most details regarding OnePlus' next smartphone are still unknown. Even this potential leak could turn out to be fake, or even just one of many prototypes. As Frandroid notes, the OnePlus 5 went through several design iterations before the company settled on its final design, so the OnePlus 6 announced in a few months could end up looking very different from what we're seeing today.